When it comes to improving your home's functionality, comfort, and aesthetic appeal, one often overlooked area is the windows. Windows are essential to the overall look and feel of your house, playing a key role in energy efficiency, natural lighting, and curb appeal. If you're in Mesa, Arizona, and are looking to upgrade your windows, professional window installation services can make all the difference. Here's why hiring an expert window installation service in Mesa, Arizona, is a wise decision for your home improvement needs. Expertise and quality craftsmanship. Installing windows is not a DIY project for most homeowners. It requires precision, the right tools, and in-depth knowledge of various window types and installation methods. Professional window installation companies in Mesa have years of experience in handling various window materials such as vinyl, wood, aluminum, and fiberglass. These experts ensure that your windows are installed correctly, minimizing the risk of air or water leaks and maximizing their lifespan. Proper installation also guarantees that your windows will function smoothly, providing proper insulation, noise reduction, and security. Customized solutions to fit your home. Every home is unique, and so are its window needs. Mesa's professional window installation services offer customized solutions tailored to your home's architectural style, budget, and performance needs. Whether you want traditional double-hung windows, modern casement windows, or energy-efficient options like low-E glass, professional installers will help you select the perfect windows for your home. They also provide expert advice on factors such as frame materials, glass types, and finishes that will complement your home's design while improving its energy efficiency. Energy efficiency and savings. Arizona's hot climate makes energy-efficient windows a crucial investment for Mesa homeowners. Poorly installed windows or old, drafty ones can lead to high energy bills as your air conditioning unit works harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows and ensuring they are installed correctly, you can drastically reduce your energy consumption. Modern windows often come with features like insulated frames, low-E coatings, and double or triple glazing, all of which contribute to better insulation. This translates to lower utility bills, reduced carbon footprint, and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Increased home value. New windows not only improve your home's energy efficiency but also significantly enhance its curb appeal and resale value. Prospective buyers in Mesa, Arizona, are often attracted to homes with modern, well-installed windows that promise comfort, savings, and aesthetic appeal. Investing in professional window installation services ensures that your windows are installed correctly and will last for years, which can make your home more attractive to potential buyers when it's time to sell. Peace of mind with warranties and guarantees. Professional window installation companies in Mesa provide warranties and guarantees on their work. This means that if something goes wrong during or after installation, you're covered. In contrast, DIY installations or hiring non-professionals can result in costly repairs if mistakes are made. Reputable window installers take pride in their craftsmanship and offer peace of mind, knowing that your windows will perform as expected for many years to come. The importance of local knowledge. Working with a local window installation service in Mesa, Arizona, comes with the added advantage of understanding the area's unique climate and building regulations. Arizona's intense sun, heat, and monsoon season require windows that can withstand extreme weather conditions. Local professionals are familiar with the best materials and techniques to ensure your windows perform well in the desert climate, making your home more comfortable and resilient. For homeowners in Mesa, Arizona, professional window installation services provide a smart and valuable investment in your home. From expert craftsmanship and energy efficiency to increased home value and peace of mind, professional installers offer the complete package. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or upgrading to more energy-efficient options, choosing a trusted local company ensures that your home will look great, feel comfortable, and stand the test of time.